point to all-around dominance with the Nike KD18 Team Bank Edition Triple White. Designed for players who thrive in every position, this clean, monochromatic sneaker delivers elite performance and effortless style. The full-length Zoom Air Strobel unit provides unmatched responsiveness, while the lightweight upper ensures breathability and flexibility on every move. A molded TPU shank offers added midfoot stability, ideal for quick cuts, fast breaks, and dynamic plays. The minimalist triple white colorway brings a crisp, versatile look that pairs perfectly with any team kit. Built for athletes who need control, speed, and support, the KD18 TB is engineered to elevate your game from tip-off to clutch time. Whether you're running drills or dominating the hardwood, this $155 powerhouse is ready for action. Pure performance, premium feel, Durant style, team-first focus.